Alright, we're back again. Where are the people? Uy, di ko pala shinare yung link. Kaya pala walang people. Again, sa mga gusto magpa-perso, we still have boxes left. PM lang. Isa perso break for Boss Beraka. Tama ba yung pagbanggit ko? Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, nakapili na ng box. Pasok muna. Nasabi mga ano natin, viewers natin. Okay. So, pinili niya ang dalawang second to the right. Hindi, last dito sa taas. So, ito. And ito. Second to the last. Alright. Baba ako na to. Naubos na ang ating ano. Mga top floors. Alright. Just waiting for the go signal. From Boss Beraka. Nanood siya ng team draft kanina eh. Nakita niya walang Wemby. So it's time to get your Wemby. Just waiting for the go signal and we're good to break this. Yes, before matulog. Yes, Boss J5. Alright, we have the G. We have the go signal. Tabi lang natin to. Dito. We start with this first box. We need a banger before we go to sleep. We need that Pulsar Wemby. Come on. Show us Wemby. First box, seal check. Let's go. Bangis naman ng box na to. Ayaw masira. What's up, Boss Rob, Boss GP? This is a perso break for Boss Beraka. If I'm pronouncing it right, correct me if I'm wrong. Grabe si Boss Bagang kanina. Tinibag niya ang aming team draft with that autograph. 6 packs for this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty box. First pack of the break. Let's go. Tabi ko lang itong blocker ko. Let's go, Wemby. Huwag ka nang mahiya. Magpakita ka na. First pack. First card. Terry Rozier. Charlotte Hornets. We have a green and we have a silver. Silver ba yun or nag-reflect lang sa ilaw? First card, Terry Rozier. Sa likod naman, Utah Jazz. Rookie card ng Utah. Joey Hauser. Di pa binigay. Hawks, rookie. Kobe Buffkin. Back-to-back rookie. Rookie din ba itong green? Pacers. Yep. 3 rookies for this pack. Oscar. Sino ba to? Oscar Chisbue. Ang pangalan nito. Si Oscar, rookie ng Pacers. Tignan natin kung sasakit loob ng mga ano kanina, nag-team draft ha. Mga dito lumabas yung mga hits nila eh. Maling pili ng box eh. Pero tingin ko yung Bagang hindi nasasakit yung loob doon. Nakuha yung Scottie Pippen auto eh. Lagyan na to dito. And we have Kobe Buffkin. 2 rookies. Good pack. 3 rookies pala. 1 green. 2 base. And for Joey Hauser. Joey Hauser for Utah Jazz. Di pa binigay si Keontae. Second pack. That's our first pack of the break. Again, this is a perso break for Brother Beraka. Ay, sayang, kala ko Wemby na. Langya. Jalen Wilson for Brooklyn. Kings natin. Kevin Werther. Silver. Trailblazers. Ryan Rupert. Di ka pa nag-scoot. Crack Ice. Magic. Jalen Suggs. Kala ko may Wemby na dun. What's up, Boss Bravo? Sabi ko lang to. Then, top loads natin ang ating rookie na silver. Ryan Rupert for the Portland. Alright. Sleeves din natin si Jalen Wilson for the Brooklyn Nets. Nakakala ko si Wemby kanina. Ito na lang tabi yung mga hits. Next pack. Third. Come on. Show us some love. Like Jonathan Kuminga of the Golden State na natambakan kanina. Emergent and a crack ice. Clippers. Paul George. Crack ice natin for the Bucks. Marjon Beauchamp. And a emergent for Cam Whitmore. Houston. Good player. High ceiling player. I think this is the chase rookie for Houston. DC Amen. Cam Whitmore, emergent. We want the Wembys. Okay, di naman lahat Wemby yung chase sa Prism. Next, pal. D-Fox for the Kings. Another insert. 76ers rookie, Philip Petrusev. Wow, grabe mga rookie ng 76ers. Thunder, not a rookie, Chet Holmgren. OKC. What a card. Nice. Chet Holmgren. And Dominance. Hi, what's up, boss? Don Harry. Emergent natin for Ant-Man. Anthony Edwards, Dominance, Minnesota. I cannot grow old in Salem's Lot. Ant-Man. Sleeves natin si Philip Petrusev and i-sleeve ko si Chet Holmgren. Kasi bias ako. Ano to? Hindi baliktad ako dun. Chet Holmgren. Kahit base pa yan. Sleeves natin. That's Chet. Chet na malagkat. Chet the Chet. Alright. Second to the last pack of the first box. Good evening, brother. Boss Elijah. What's up? It's a Perso break. Kakatapos lang ng team draft kanina. We have the crack ice and another insert. Timberwolves. Naz Reid. Boss MT, what's up? Crack ice natin for the Celtics. Ray Allen again. Pang kanina crack ice ni Ray Allen din yun. Dominance for Joel Embiid. Philadelphia. Second dominance of this box. Kanina si Ant-Man. Now si Embiid. Ganda rin kinokolek yung mga dominance eh. Ah, hindi pa bro. Di ba nabubuksan yung Crony? Baka bukas pa yun. Medyo na-delay kasi yung shipping ng hoops eh. Kala ko darating today yung hoops. Di dumating. Bukas pa yata darating yung hoops. So hindi muna namin pinilit na ma-full ang ating next break. Alright, last pack for our first box. Wala pa rin si Wemby ah. Ito na ba? Dito ka na ba, Wemby? IQ5. Uy, deep space. Suns, another Yuta Watanabe. Deep space natin. Pangatlong card. 76ers AI. And for our deep space, is it a rookie? Not a rookie, but it's for Giannis Antetokounmpo. Milwaukee Bucks. Thick card ah. Sabi Milwaukee natin kanina. Oy, Timbagang. Dapat sa'yo to. Kaso maling box ang napili kanina. For sale ba ang Giannis? I don't think so. I don't think so for sale ang Giannis. Okay, next box. Second box natin. Check natin baka nandito na ang ating pinakahihintay na Wembanyama. Or any solid hits. Ilan ba yung natitirang box? 3, 5, 8 box left from our 20 box case. Possible ba na 2 auto yun? Kasi masali sa mga preview, no? 3, 6, and yung laging nakasama na, ewan ko ano ba yun? 3, 6. Ay, hindi ko pa pala nararan yung duck race natin. Nakakalimutan ko lagi. Run natin bukas yung duck race dun sa points, panini points. Sa last break. Lagi nakakalimutan na. Jalen Suggs. Seth Curry. Patrick Ewing. And yung green natin, it's for the Rockets. Hindi pa ni rookie. Kabayan. Jay Green. Jalen Verde ng Pinas. Next pack. Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. Silver and a crack ice. Mavericks, Dirk. Crack ice natin for the Mavericks again. Team Hardaway. And a silver for the Lakers. Rui Hachimura. Osos ng Japan. Kanina Osos ng Canada eh. Ngayon Osos ng Japan. Ay kung bali-baliktad yung mga slips. Hindi pa ni Luka. Team Hardaway pa nga. Next pack. Last 4 for this break. Come on. Pakita ka na. Tobias Harris. Insert. Sa likod. Sixers. Charles Barney. Thunder. Lou Dort. And for our insert. For the Warriors. Medyo curve ang card. Brandon Podshevsky. Medyo may pagka-curve na naman ang card na ito. Brandon Podshevsky. Curve na curve, oh. Panini, why? Why you curve our cards? Brandon, dito ka muna. Di pa rin nag-straight kahit nalagay na sa tops. Next pack. Dame Lillard, crack ice and an insert sa likod. Yung insert muna natin. Lauri Markkanen again. Third copy mo na yata ito. Pistons rookie, Ausar Thompson. Nice. And a crack ice, Cavaliers. Max Strus. Boss Kevin Soriano in the house. Shout out Boss Amo, box break. Thank you for giving me my free Milwaukee and Detroit. Bigyan nyo na lang ako ng Ausar Auto. Pwede na ako. Or night moves ni Giannis. Meron bang night moves si Giannis? For animation. Pwede rin ako animation ni Ausar. Meron ba siya? Lauri Markkanen for the Utah. Labasin ng card na to. And an Ausar Thompson. Rookie card. Upload pa rin natin. Ang bahit tayo kay Ausar. Alright. Last 2 packs. Come on, clutch hits. Give us the banger we need para masarap ang tulog. Let's end it up with a bang. Rudy Gobert. Insert. Green insert. Celtics, Derek White. Raptors, Grady Dick, rookie card. And an insert emergent color green for Ben Shepherd, Indiana. Ganda pa naman, green. Ben Shepherd, malay natin, gumaling si Ben Shepherd. No one knows. No one could tell. Because I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shady are just imitating. The Grady Dick. Last pack of the break. Hopefully a banger. Let's go. Last pack. Last pack of the break. Come on. Jokic, first card of the last pack. Insert. And a crack ice. Sa likod, Mavericks, Grant Williams. Insert muna. Emergent, Taylor Hendricks. And for our last card, Clippers, Paul George. Medyo mahirap talaga ang hanapin si Wembanyama. Down with the last 8 boxes. Kaya ang swerte ni Lance eh. Unang box na binuksan namin, 20 yung pinagpilian niya, nakuha niya yung Wemby. After that, 12 boxes na yung nabuksan. Hindi pa rin lumabas yung Wembanyama na base. That's it. Thank you, everyone. Again, thank you, Boss Peraka, for trusting us for your first break. Appreciate it much. Recap tayo ng hits. Ito nang lagay. Another Utah. Ganda mag-Utah sa Prism. Daming hits. Paul George, crack ice. Grady Dick, rookie card. Max Strus, crack ice. Tim Hardaway, crack ice. Rui Hachimura, silver. Green for Jalen Green. Ganda nun ha. Ray Allen, crack ice. Chet Holmgren base na nakasleeves pa rin. Philip Petrozev, rookie of Philadelphia. Marjon Beauchamp, crack ice. Jalen Wilson, rookie card. Jalen Suggs, crack ice. Joey Hauser, rookie card for Utah Jazz. And Kobe Bufkin, rookie of the Atlanta Hawks. For the hits, we have green of Ben Shepherd, emergent. Rookie card of Ausar Thompson. Joel Embiid, dominance. Dominance of Minnesota Timberwolves, Anthony Edwards. Taylor Hendricks, emergent. Dominance, Lauri Markkanen. And an emergent for Cam Whitmore, Houston Rockets. We also have a green rookie, Oscar Chibwe. Rand Rupert, silver. Deep space, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Iba numbered itong mga to. And an instant impact for Brandon Podchevsky. Thank you, Boss Baraka. Fortunately, not the best hit, but solid hits naman. That's it. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys.